Hi beauties, welcome back to Beauty Unlocked. If you are new here, hit subscribe because every week we share the best beauty tips, makeup tutorials, skincare routines, and glow hacks that are simple, natural, and effective. Did you ever scroll YouTube or Instagram and thought, wow, how do celebrities look so flawless? Guess what? You don't need a glam squad or expensive products. Today on Beauty Unlocked, I'll show you a celebrity inspired makeup glowing skin to red carpet ready that's easy, affordable, and beginner friendly. Perfect for parties, weddings, or even that selfie glow up. What you'll need are cleanser, primer, foundation, contour either cream or powder, setting powder, bronzer, blush, highlighter, mascara, brow pencil, lip liner, lipstick, sponge brushes. Here we go. Starting with cleanser, use gentle cleanser to remove oil and prep the skin. Massage cleanser 30 to 44 5 sec. Rinse, pat dry. For dry skin, use cream cleanser and for oily use gel foam based. Firstly, apply daily moisturizer for the base so it will keep your skin hydrated. Then use primer on it for smooth texture and also helps makeup last. Apply pea-size amount of primer. Press into T-zone areas with pores and let it set for 30 seconds. Use hydrating primer for dry skin and mattifying primer for oily skin. Next, we use foundation. Use a lightweight base for a skin-like finish. Apply a dot center of face. Blend outward with damp sponge brush. Take excess down the neck and spread evenly. The shade should match to jawline. It should be thin layer, so no cakey kind of patches. Here we go with the next step is contour. A soft contour means a subtle definition. Apply cream or powder based contour under cheekbones, temples, along hairline and lightly under jaw. Optional sides of nose blend upward, not down. Less is more. Add gradually. Then we use setting powder. Set where you crease or get oily. Apply press and roll under eyes, smile lines, T-zone. Avoid heavy dusting on dry areas. Now we use bronzer. Bronzer adds warmth. Think sun-kissed, not orange. Apply with fluffy brush in a 3 shape. Areas forehead, temple, cheek area, jaw. Should be light and sweeping motions. Pick a shade 1-2 tones warmer than your skin. Next, we go with blush. Blush brings life back. Apply smile softly from apples toward temples. Blend edges. Shades like peach warms, pink brightens, berry deepens. Now it is highlighter, strategic glow for that celeb sheen. Tap on tops of cheekbones, a touch on nose, bridge. Avoid if oily and cupid's bow. Avoid heavy highlight on textured areas. Then we go with mascara. Open up the eyes, fast. Apply curl lashes. Wiggle mascara from root to tip. Light coat on lowers. For the next step, we use brows. Brow pencil. Soft lifted brows frame the face. Apply with brush up with spoolie. Outline the base. Then feather hair-like strokes in sparse areas. Match hair or one shade lighter for a soft look. Lastly, for the lips, lip liner and lipstick. Define without overdoing it and finish with your vibe, nude, rosy or bold. Apply line natural lip shape, slightly overline only at the center for fullness. Apply lipstick, blot and reapply for staying power. Optional center gloss for dimension. Nude that matches your lip tone will be more natural and matte for long wear. Satin for comfy glow. Final check. Melt everything together with a clean sponge tap. Check in natural light. Soften any edges. And that's your easy celebrity inspired look, polished, glowy and beginner friendly. If this helped, tap like, subscribe and comment for new tutorials every week on your Beauty Unlocked.